Okay, now you have to attach the letters that I thought in the other video. K, L, R, and sin. So it's interesting that in Farsi they don't say the sound S like S. They don't say it like that. So when in the alphabet they want to refer to the letter S, they say sin. Sin. That's written like this. Actually, with a couple of eyes. I can stop doing that. That's how they refer to the letter S. They say sin. There is no really explanation for why they bring letter N at the end of the sound, but that's how they think it's beautiful. Okay, you attach these three together. It's a piece of cake. You eliminate this wall in here. You attach this letter to this one. When you hold this letter, or imagine holding it and placing it next to this letter, it's going to look like this. But now you have to attach letter A to this one that's hooked or curved. So again, you're going to face a problem because you have to have a straight line at the end of it in order to attach it to something else. So you just write it like this, the straight line in here. And then for the letter A, you just place it in here like this, and you just leave letter S as is. So that's how they write kelas. But have it in mind that letter A always should be taller than letter L, or letter L shouldn't be that high. So if I want to ignore that I'm teaching and I'm about to write kelas, I would write it like this, because that's how it's actually written professionally. This is in maybe elementary class. When they want to teach someone, they say you have to write it like this. But when you want to write it a little bit more beautiful, you write it like this. And you see the sound E, the passive sound E, is missing. The sound A, which signifies that you have to bring more of a sound in here, is missing. But in Arabic they don't do that. In Arabic, if they want to write the word class, they would say kelas, and they put a circle in here, or maybe they will put something like this, as if no stress in this one. On this letter A, you stress and just expand it like ah, and on this letter E, you just have to have it very short. So that's how it's written in Arabic. And now last word is called qalbam. Qalbam, that means my heart. Letter G and H together is written like this. Q. A again is a sound. You ignore it. L. Letter B. Again, another A sound is here. Again, ignore this. So we ignore it. And for letter M, I showed you before, it's like this. Now you have to attach these together. Q. When you want to say Q, it comes from your throat. When you I think it's called gargle. I'm not sure. When you want to rinse your throat with water or rinser, you make a sound when you're doing that. That's how the sound q is coming from. Q. But you shouldn't stress it very much, because if you do, there's another shape of q. If you do a q, that's this one, that's Arabic. But you say q. I can't think of any examples, like when this bird say قوقولی قوقو. That's so funny. I can't. So q, ignore a, l, b, and m, and you attach them. That's how it is. قلبم. Because m is at the end of it, you leave it as is. And you see that I've changed the ending of all these people in here, all these letters. If there's a curve, I just change it to a straight line, and I save the beginning of it. The letter M refers to, that means that belong to me. The stress a in here is missing. قلبم. A. But you have to know that by heart. So that means my heart. And I think I referred قلب means heart. So سر کلاس قلبم means that symbolically your heart attends a class. I just can't explain it. It's just some kind of confusion and some kind of symbolic poetry. Well, take care, everyone.